Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we're diving into the exciting world of artificial intelligence and also how it can supercharge your business operations in 2023. So in this video we've actually handpicked top 10 AI tools categorized into like different categories like marketing, writing text, image, video, and tools for business owners and professionals, just for those guys in case you're wondering. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get started. Alright, so first up in the marketing category, we have Browse AI. So this tool is a game changer when it comes to understanding your audience. It basically crunches the numbers, analyzes trends, and customer preferences as well. So if you're wondering, like, it uses AI to sort and identify relevant data from the website, making it easier to get the data, rather than doing all that manual work of copy pasting. It doesn't require coding at all, and the data is basically directly fed into the Excel sheet that is very, very easy to share and use. So yeah, in a nutshell, it hands you the insights you need to shape and refine your marketing strategies and campaigns. Okay, so now next up on the list is Jasper AI. So if you're looking to create attention-grabbing, top-notch marketing copy, without breaking a sweat, this tool is really your new best friend now. So the platform can generate all kinds of content at the click of a button, just making it a very easy for anyone to create, very good, like high-quality written content. So this includes like web copy as well as you can say blog posts, marketing content, and just about anything else you can think of. So it turns out compelling content that resonates with your targeted audience, saving you a lot of time and effort. Okay, so now let's talk about the writing or text category. Okay, so in that we have first one, Copy AI. So Copy AI is a must tool for content creator. Why is it that? Let's just find out. It takes the hassle out of crafting engaging copy for your blogs, as well as advertisements and social media. So Copy AI is an artificial intelligence writing tool that uses machine learning to generate various type of content. All that including blog headlines as well as emails, you can say social media content, web copy, and more, as I told you guys. So yeah, if you are into any of these categories, so Copy AI is the best option for you. Okay, so now the second tool for writing or text, we have Spin Writer. So it is basically your go-to for giving existing content a fresh twist. Like, by paraphrasing and rephrasing all that, it boosts content uniqueness and quality as well. You can say like it's very perfect or very accurate for SEO and ensuring a unique voice in a crowded digital landscape. Alright, so shifting gears to the image category now. So as we have discussed this many times, Midjourney is all about effortless image creation and design. So yeah, now say goodbye to the complexities of graphic design. Now you can create stunning visuals for branding, marketing materials, and also social media posts with ease. Okay, so the next tool for our image category is DelE. So have you guys ever wished you could transform text into imaginative image? DelE is the answer for that. It takes basically the textual descriptions and turns them into visual captivating images. You heard me right. This is basically a very fantastic tool to elevate your storytelling and capture attention for that. Okay, so now moving on to the video tools. Let's talk about Runway. Video editing and production just got a whole lot easier with this tool now. It basically streamlines the process, helping you create visually appealing content. So it doesn't matter like whether it's promotional videos, tutorials, or anything else. Runway can do that all for you while saving your precious time as well. Okay, so now then we have Descript. This is basically another very versatile audio and video editing software designed to streamline the post-production process. It basically offers an array of features including automated transcription as well as allowing users to easily transcribe, editing their media files simultaneously as well. So Descript's intuitive interface enables seamless editing by manipulating tasks, adding to a word processor, resulting into more efficient and precise editing experience for all of you guys, like for all content creators in that like whole multimedia realm. Okay, so now last but not least, we have category for business owners or professionals. So yeah, if you are a business owner, if you're working to 9-to-5 jobs, so these couple of tools can really help you like streamline that whole work for you in just few seconds. Okay, so first tool we have is Merlin. So Merlin is your project management wizard. It is a ChatGPT Chrome extension that works as your AI-powered ChatGPT assistant, saving all that time and money for you. It basically provides ChatGPT responses on Google search, okay, summarizing YouTube videos, blogs, documents, and as well as it writes, posts, and replies to comments for you as well, like on different platforms such as LinkedIn, Twitter, and Gmail. So yeah, Merlin basically translates into more than 25 languages. So it's really, really extensive as well if you guys maybe want. Okay, lastly, we have MEM. So MEM facilitates seamlessly team collaboration and knowledge sharing. MEM is basically an AI note-taking tool that helps you capture ideas quickly, taking notes and organizing them into personal knowledge base. For business owners and professionals, this tool is a game changer, enhancing communication as well as boosting productivity within your organization. All right, so there you have it. These AI tools offer a world of possibilities for your business in 2023. So it doesn't matter whether you are a marketer, a content creator, a visual artist, or even business leader, incorporating these tools can supercharge your efforts. So yeah, stay ahead of curve, innovate and elevate your business with the power of AI. So yeah, I hope you like this video and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.